Is Cardano the next big cryptocurrency? Hello everyone, a warm welcome back to Front Seat Finance. The crypto market has been wild in the past few months, sometimes to the highest highs and to the lowest lows at one point. And while everyone likes focusing on the big crypto coins out there like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or the meme coins gaining popularity like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, there is one cryptocurrency that has managed to hit the news recently, and that is Cardano. A year back, not many were aware of Cardano when everyone spoke in the language of Bitcoins and Ethereum, but now they say it will soon be the Cardano era. Why? That's why I am here, to break the news and state some mind-boggling facts. But before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for some great information. Also, here's a warning, we are not suggesting you or trying to influence your financial decisions. So without any further ado, shall we get started? Cryptocurrency has become a debatable topic. Few say that it's building our future and making our economy more advanced, whereas others say it is just a fool's tool. They think that frauds can quickly happen on digital platforms, therefore, as I said, it is a debatable topic. But according to many economic analysts, institutional money will enter the markets in the upcoming future, and this will mark a significant change in the cryptocurrency era. Adding cherry to the cake, chances are bright that crypto might also be added to the Nasdaq. That would further add to the blockchain's credibility and become an alternative payment method apart from conventional money. The cryptos will prove to be a volatile asset and a user-friendly approach towards currencies. Soon, no one will have to carry real money. Cryptocurrencies and net banking will cover up the tedious task of carrying currencies. It will become a safer and a secured approach, and thus, it will mark the growth of the world's digital economy in general. According to many analysts, cryptos will be an approach where fraudulent activities cannot enter and bother its users. Thanks to the blockchains, the whole process will be organized, clean and transparent even to the users. Not only the future, now almost all segments are trying to get involved in cryptos. For instance, the net banking giant MasterCard is trying to get its hands on it by funding and providing aid to potential upcoming crypto companies. So it has a very futuristic perspective. According to the latest report, the top 5 cryptocurrency were marked 1. Bitcoin, 2. Bitcoin Cash, 3. Ethereum, 4. Cardano, and 5. Dogecoin. All this while Bitcoin and Ethereum were booming in the crypto news section. In fact, among all the cryptos, Bitcoin was said to be the best option for an investor. But rumors had it that soon by the passage of time, Ethereum will cross Bitcoin and soon become a new hit in the market, a type which most investors will opt for. Lately, Cardano has grabbed the attention of people. As a result, Cardano has now been hailed as the most potential Ethereum killer. When such a piece of news came out, it turned out to be a big shocker to all the investors because Ethereum, also known as ETH, is regarded as the second most valuable cryptocurrency, and its leading is Bitcoin. The blockchain Ethereum is said to be pretty competitive and is called the second best among the majority of investors, but it looks like there is a significant twist in the crypto market now. There is an Ethereum killer, and that is none other than Cardano. Bitcoin is regarded in the highest esteem because it is the biggest cryptocurrency asset and the oldest, and not forgetting that it is the most well-known crypto asset in the market. However, despite building such a strong portfolio among the people, Ethereum holds the highest market share in the cryptocurrency world. Why so? The credits of such success go to its compelling integrated applications, and that is one area where Bitcoin is lagging and is a step behind Ethereum. But they say that Cardano has the potential to top them both as it has managed to excel in all aspects. It has taken care of all the weaknesses of both the crypto giants and now has the probability of excelling in the market. Cardano has challenged all the captivating, intelligent contractors of Ethereum and has even solved and come up with an answer to Bitcoin's problem of using excessive energy. Cardano has got its edges strong and also wants to become more energy efficient. Looking at the bright side, the prices of Cardano ADA had been surging up drastically for a few days, and all the big tech giants are also down to investing in this digital crypto asset. According to the latest news, the prices have surged up to 21% within a matter of a few days. It looks like all the top crypto giants, Bitcoin and Ethereum, might soon be in turmoil since the biggest competitor is in the game now. This lands us at the end of our video. Hope you found it to be interesting and hope it helps you in making decisions for crypto investments. Do like and share the video. Also, don't forget to comment your opinion regarding Cardano. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.